what's happening in Gaza, we don't blame Allah. We blame those who are perpetrating the genocide. They are committing the genocide. You see, today is dedicated to Gaza, even though it's more than a year on, but it's dedicated. The colors behind me depict and show that it's dedicated to Gaza. What happened earlier, Brother Rahim came on. What was it all about? It was about Gaza. Our hearts are bleeding for everywhere on the globe where brothers and sisters are bleeding and they are struggling. If we cannot reach them in one way, we will reach them in another way by the will of Allah. We feel helpless. We are helpless. We were here last year talking about the same, and we will not let them down. Today we will talk about the same again. May Allah Almighty grant them victory. May Allah return their lands to them. And may Allah Almighty protect all of them. Ameen. And don't belittle a charity you've given or a dua you've made, because trust me, dua works. Miracles happen, and they do happen. I was speaking to a brother from Syria, and he told me, you know what? Miracles happen. Miracles definitely happen, because we would never have dreamt that this tyrant would have actually disappeared so quickly. I say, thank Allah, thank Allah, thank Allah. It's a miracle that happened. No one would have imagined suddenly in a short span of time, and everything turned and changed. May Allah protect the people of Syria. May Allah grant them goodness. May Allah Almighty protect them from enemies within and enemies outside. Because many a time we feel we've been victorious and then we are let down by so many factors. May Allah Almighty protect all of us.